Hello, my name is Robbie, and I'll be your teacher today. For today, we have a few topics to discuss, and I will share with you the lesson. All right? So, start sharing. As you can see, today's class is about prepositions of place. Position. Do you know what a preposition of place is? We're going to find out today. Prepositions of place, position. When we talk about the preposition of an element, when we talk about the position of an element in relation to other elements, we can use the prepositions below. So let's take a look at them. The ball is in or inside the box. As you can see, there is a football inside this brown or grayish box. The ball is out of the box. So here we can see that in is the opposite of out of. In this case, the ball is in front of the box. Do you see the same football right here? And then the ball is behind the box. We can see that right there. So these are the first four prepositions we have for today. Let's keep looking. The ball is on the box. When we use on, we are talking about contact. That's why we have that famous sentence, the book is on the table. So the ball is on the box. The blue box is beside the black box. Same line. So beside, you're going to see that they are near each other, but they are not touching. Why? Because when they are touching, when they are in contact, we use another preposition. Like this, the blue box is next to the black box. In contact, touching. The blue box is close to or near the black box. Position not important. It's not important if they are in the same line. Close to and near, they have the same meaning. They can be used in the same situations. So, as we have a few opposites, you're going to notice that if we have close to and near, the opposite of that would be the blue box is far from the black box. Do you see the distance? Yes, that's what's the most important right now. So let's review the prepositions one more time. And remember, if you need, you can hit pause at any time in the video to check again and again the explanations, all right? So let's see. The ball is inside the box or in the box. So we have in and inside. The ball is out of the box. Out of is our preposition. The ball is in front of the box. So in front of is the preposition. The ball is behind the box. Is the preposition. The blue box is beside the black box. Beside is our preposition. The blue box is next to the black box. The preposition is next to. The blue box is close to or near the black box. So we have close to and near. The blue box is far from the black box, which means that our preposition is far from. Is that okay so far? So let's move to an exercise. So the exercise is pretty simple. You're going to consider your neighborhood, okay? If you don't have anything near, far from your house, invent, okay? It's good for you to invent, to be creative in order to practice. So I'll read the questions first. So exercise 1, answer the questions. Is there a hospital in your neighborhood? Where is it in relation to your home? So remember, people, if you don't have a hospital near your home, pretend you have and use a preposition just to practice the activity. Letter B. Is there a supermarket near your house? Again, if there isn't a supermarket near your house, pretend there is. Is there a park in your neighborhood? Is it in front of a bar? So again, try to pretend, try to invent in case you don't really have those places near your house, all right? Letter D, are there gas stations close to your work? E, is there a shopping mall in your neighborhood? Is there a drugstore inside the mall? Are there parking lots near your work? What about near your home? So right now, we are seeing here not only the prepositions, right? We are seeing is there, are there. Do you remember these people? If you don't, no problem. We are going to review it right now. So I will open a tab here and share with you a document in which we can remember what is that there, they are there. So when we express existence in English, we use there is and there are. But what is the difference? The difference is that there is, we use in the singular, there are plural. It's a little better, right? So what happens when we saw in the activity, is there? What is it? Is there will always be what? Interrogative. Let's put singular here so you don't forget. Singular interrogative, singular affirmative. And do we have negative? Of course we have. We say there is not or there isn't, which is singular and also negative. And what about there are? Plural. Plural and is in this case affirmative. Just a second. Let's use this so we don't keep typing everything again. So when we see are there, it's plural plus interrogative and negative. There are not or there aren't. Plural and negative. So let's think about a sentence so we can apply. Let's go back to there is. I'm going to use an example that is real for me, okay? I will consider my house. So I'll say, there is a hospital near my house. This sentence is true, is real for me. But if it's not real for you, you can always invent, okay? Try to always be creative. If I want to use the same sentence to write it negative, interrogative, and etc., I can use, is there a hospital near your house? Negative, there isn't a hospital near my house. Is that clear so far? I hope so. Just remember, press pause at any time if you need to think about it or to see this little part again, okay? So let's mark this here so it's better for you to visualize. All right, now plural. I can say that there are 2 schools in my street. Now let's use the preposition. Yes, I already have in here, but let's see. There are 2 bars, not schools, 2 bars. Let's see. Close. No, close to no, I already used near. Let's think about it. Behind my house. So there are 2 bars behind my house. So now we are going to see interrogative. Are there any bars near your house? And negative, there aren't any bars, or there aren't 2 bars behind, not near, I'm sorry, behind my house. Is that a little better now that we remembered what there is and that are is and when we use it? I really hope so, people. So let's see. Let's review. Just a second, marking it for better visualization. So that is always singular, okay? So that is in the affirmative, there is a hospital near my house. Interrogative, is there a hospital near your house? Negative, there isn't a hospital near my house. So singular is done. Let's see the plural one. There are always plural, but affirmative. There are 2 bars behind my house. Interrogative, are there any bars behind your house? Or you can also use people. Let's check here. You can see there are 2 bars. You can be specific. There's no problem. And negative, there aren't 2 bars behind my house. So let's go back to the activity. This is our activity. So you already have the sentences. I already read them. So I'm going to give you, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, I think it's a good range of time. So you can do the activity and then we'll correct them together. All right? Okay. So let's go to correction. Yes? All right. So here we have the sentences in a space in which I can answer it, okay? Remember, my answers are going to be considering my house. What you have to pay attention is this structure. If this structure is okay, doesn't matter the preposition you use, okay? So let's see. Just a second, because I will start writing. All right. So, is that a hospital in your neighborhood? Yes, there is. But the possibility is also that you say, no, there isn't. But let's go with yes, because when we go with yes, we can answer the next question. So, where is it in relation to your home? So I'm going to say, the hospital is far from my house. Okay? But you can use any preposition you want here. You just have to consider the relation to your house, to your home. Okay? So let's see letter B. Is there a supermarket near your house? Yes, there is. Can we stop here? Yes, we can, because when we start a question with is there, are there, it's called a yes or no question. But let's practice a little bit. So, yes, there is. There is. No, actually, yes, there is a supermarket in my street. It's a good option. We are using, on my street. See, teachers make mistakes too sometimes. There's a supermarket on my street. All right. Let's see. Is there a park in your neighborhood? Is it in front of a bar? Let's see. In my case, yes. Yes, there is. We can also write the full sentence if you want, just to practice. So let's try. Yes, there is a park in my neighborhood. The park is in front of a bar. But if it's not in front of a bar, you can say it is in front of, I don't know, a school. It is close to a shop. It is near the supermarket. It is behind the church. I don't know. You have many possibilities. Depends on the relation with your home. Are there gas stations close to your work? No, there aren't. And in this case, do I stop here? No, there aren't. No, I can say what is there near to my club, actually close to my work. I can say that there is a church close to my work. It's an option for you. It's good practice. So let's see. Is there a shopping mall in your neighborhood? No, there isn't. Jesus, typing wrong. Isn't. The shopping mall is far from my house. Is there a drugstore inside the mall? Yes, there is a drugstore inside the mall. Again, guys, this is very important. These are just possibilities, okay? You have to remember that you have to consider what? Your neighborhood, your house, your reality. So, are there parking lots near your work? Yes, there are parking lots near my work. What about near your home? There are actually many parking lots near my home. All right, so this concludes our first exercise. All right, so now I'm gonna share exercise 2. Are you ready? Exercise 2, it's a little simpler. What do you have to do? You have to consider the pictures that we have here and their relation, the objects' relation to each other. So, exercise 2, answer the questions based on the pictures. Where is the plant in relation to the books? Where are the pens in relation to the plant? Where is the cell phone in relation to the table? Where are the paper clips in relation to the post-it? But first of all, books. Where are the books? Right here. The plant. Here. Let's see the pens. They are right here. The cell phone. Here's the cell phone. The table. This is the table. Paper clips. What are the paper clips? They are here. And the post-it, this is the post-it block. All right? So again, you can press pause now. And I think 5 minutes may be enough to do this activity. Yes? So pause for 5 minutes and answer the questions. All right, so can we check exercise 2? Yes, can we? So we just did exercise 1. Here are the answers. So let's move to exercise 2, and here are the questions. So, where is the plant in relation to the books? Let's take a look at the plant and the book. What is it when it touches the surface? When it touches the surface, we can say that. Sorry, the plant is on the books. All right? So now we have, where are the pens in relation to the plant? Let's take a look at the picture again. Where are the pens in relation to the plant? Are they touching? No. So can we use beside? No. You're going to use, actually, can you use beside? Yes, we cannot use next to. So you're going to use beside. Just a second, because I'm going to type. Yes, all right, just a second. Here. So the pens are beside the plant. All right. So let's see. Now, letter C. Where is the cell phone in relation to the table? This is very easy, right, people? So, the cell phone is on the table. Attention, sometimes you're gonna find cell phone like this or like this, okay? No problem. Question number 4, actually letter D. Where are the paper clips in relation to the Post-it? We have paper clips on, no, it's on the notebook. So paper clips and the Post-it, we're gonna say, what can we say? We can say beside as well. So the paper clips are beside the Post-it. All right, so this concludes exercise number 2. Do you have any doubts? Did you get? Jesus. All right, I don't know what happened, what appeared in the screen here, but okay. Let's share, go back to our material. So now we have exercise number 3. Okay, exercise number 3. Listen to the audio and complete the sentences with the correct preposition. So before you listen to the audio, let's pay attention to the sentences because it's going to be easier for you to check the correct preposition, to find the correct preposition inside the text. All right? So let's do it. So, letter A, the apple is, the bowl. B, the bowl is, the table. The ball is, the table. The table is, the chair. The curtains are, the window. All right. So, letter F, the picture is, the window. So you are going to pause this video now, play the audio, okay? Play this video or the audio. I don't know which version are you gonna get, but we also have it in video. And go back to the activity and do it. All right? All right, then. And while you do that, I'll be here getting the answers. Okay. So have you listened to the audio? Yes. So let's take a look to the transcript of the audio. Oh, I just have one of the transcripts. No problem. Just a second, because I will play here. And we are going to do the activity. Just a minute. Stay with me. Okay. I will share again our material. Just a second. All right. So are you seeing the material? Yes, I hope so. So let's go back to the activity, which is activity 3, exercise number 3. Let's go. Okay, so let's see sentence A, exercise 3. All right, so the apple is in the bowl. All right. And what about the bowl? The bowl is on the table. All right. And the ball. The ball is under the table. And the table. The table is behind the chair. And the curtains. The curtains are, just a second, because in front of the window. And the picture next to the window. So let's read it again. The apple is in the bowl. The bowl is on the table. The ball is under the table. The table is behind the chair. The curtains are in front of the window. And the picture is next to the window. All right. Let's take a look here. The apple is in the bowl. The bowl is on the table. The ball is under the table. The table is behind the chair. The curtains are in front of the window. And the picture is next to the window. So remember, people, at any time you should press pause and go back if you need, okay? So now we have one more activity. Yes, this lesson is full of activities. Let's go. Let's see it. Listen to a boy talking about his village and answer the question. Again, you're going to get the audio file or the link to the YouTube video. Don't worry, okay? We're not going to play them in class, but you will have it. So let's check every word that we see here, okay? Listen to a boy talking about his village and answer the question. A, check the places in his village. Shops, school, bar, post office, hospital, bus stop. Where is the clinic in relation to his house? All right. So people, I'm gonna give you a few minutes to listen to the audio. You can listen as many times as you need. So you press pause in the video and go listen, okay? When you return, I'm going to work with the transcript with you, okay? Okay, so go there and listen to the audio. So now that you listen to the audio, let's work with the transcript. The transcript is this, what we have here, everything that is said in the audio. So I'm going to read for you. There are 2 shops in my village, a bakery and a grocery store. There is also a school and a post office. There is a small clinic not far away from my house. There is also a bus stop and a railway station. So we are seeing a lot of words, right? So do you know what is everything like shop, bakery, grocery store, school, post office, clinic, I don't know, bus stop, railway station? If you don't know, no problem. I'm going to show you right now. Let's share now a different screen. Okay. So let's see. Here we have different, all the words that we found in the transcript. So let's see. Railway station. Do you see the pictures? Do you get it now? Do you use the train to go to work, to go home? Maybe you do. I don't know. Bus stop. Just a second. Just a second. Just a minute, guys, because I'm trying to see what you can see. Oh, can you see the bus stop now? Do you take the bus or the train to go home? Or maybe none of those. Maybe you go by car. I don't know. Post office. Do you still use the post office? Do you send letters to people? Do you send, I don't know, do you sell items and use the post office? School, where we go to study when we are kids and teenagers, right? Grocery store, where we buy food. It's usually smaller than a supermarket. And bakery, where we buy delicious bread for breakfast and lunch and snack time and tea time sometimes, right? So these are the words, these are the places that we saw in the audio transcript. Let's go through them again. We are seeing the bakery, grocery store, the school, the post office, the bus stop, and the railway station. All right, so let's share now our next activity. So we are back in the transcript. I will read it one more time, okay? There are 2 shops in my village, a bakery and a grocery store. There is also a school and a post office. There is a small clinic not far away from my house. There is also a bus stop and a railway station. Okay, let's go up to the activity. So what do you think? Do we have shops? Yes. School? Yes. Bar? Post office? Yes. Bus stop? Yes. Hospital? I don't know. I think you can say yes, because there is a small clinic. A small clinic could be. It's not a hospital, right? So no, no hospital. All right. Where is the clinic in relation to his house? So to answer this question, I'm going to, this is exercise 4. I'm sharing here for you. Let's go back to the transcript now because it's easier for us to visualize. And the question is, take a look at the transcript, and the question is, where is the clinic in relation to his house? So, there is a small clinic not far away from my house. But can we use this sentence just like this? Exactly like it's there. Yes? No? No. And why not? Because are you talking about your house? My house? His house. So we need to change the pronoun. All right? Now let's go back because we still have one activity to do, and a fun activity. So this little map, and you have to describe the picture according to what you see. You don't have to describe everything. We have a few lines. Do as much as you want. Do as much as you can, okay? So let's pay attention. Let's see if I can zoom in. Okay, zooming in the picture. Let's see the picture a little bigger now. Yes, it's better, isn't it? So we have, what is it? We have a circus. We have a mechanic, a tire center. We have a gas station, school. We have like a park. I don't know, another kind of park. We have many houses, a market. We have like a river. I don't know. I think it's a river, right? It's not a beach. It's a river. So we have many, many things. We have a railway. Is it a railway station? No, I think it's for kids. All right. So we have all of those things. So what do you need to do? Let's say 5 to 8 sentences. I think that is a good amount. I will check 5 sentences with you, okay? So you have to use the prepositions. Oh, here we have a parking lot, I think. So what you need to do is you're going to use there is and there are, okay? And the prepositions of place. So pause the video. I will enhance the picture one more time so you can see it very, very big. Okay. So you can pause now and go do the activity, all right? And I will come back. When you come back, I will have some possibilities for you to work on. So here we are on exercise 5. Exercise 5, we need to use there is or there are plus prepositions of place. All right. Considering the picture, let's start with the market. No, sorry. The hospital is behind the market. The hospital is behind the market. All right, let's see in the picture so we are sure about it. Market's here, the hospital is behind. Okay. We can also say that there are many houses near the hospital. Yeah, many houses near the hospital. Let's check. We can use the same houses and say that there are 3 houses beside the market. Remember, you have many possibilities inside this map. Okay, I'm just listing 5. So far, I listed 3. We have 2 more to go. Okay. The gas station. Let's work with the gas station. The gas station is okay. In front of, I don't know, what is it here? Let's see. No, the gas station, no, this school. School is, let's see where the school is. Let's see. Where's the school? Oh, the school is here. So the school is in front of. The houses. All right, the school is in front of the houses. Let's see what else we can do. The circus. Let's go with the circus. The circus is, where is the circus? Okay. Far from the gas station. Like this. So let's review. Again, remember, do as many sentences as you can, okay? Now I noticed we have to use there is and there are. So there is a hospital behind the market. There are, and there is a school in front of. There is a circus far from the gas station. Okay, let's read all of the sentences together. There is a hospital behind the market. There are many houses near the hospital. There are 3 houses behind the market. There is a school in front of the houses. And there is a circus far from the gas station. All right, so this concludes our exercises for today. I will stop sharing now so I can say goodbye to you. So if you had any questions, any doubts, you should go back, watch the video from the beginning, try again to do the activities, all right? If you have any more questions, try to practice a little more, okay? So thank you for watching. See you next time.